Okay, good morning. Um, this particular video, I would like to actually solve that general problem that I've been receiving, general complaint about your assignment. I've been expecting this assignment for you know um, since last week or so, but I've been receiving a lot of complaint about the issue of loading the point and then the point is not showing or your polygon digitizing is not showing. You understand different problem, right? So I'm going to do it now and then you look at it and then you see some of the things. So in this particular video we're going to see how we can change the CRS, the coordinate reference system, right, from the beginning of the project, right, and then possibly reproject that your CSV CRS problem again, because the reason is because your point they are in one particular coordinate system and then your polygon is in another coordinate system. That is why you discover that you are digitizing on the point with a polygon, but the polygon is not showing because it's in another different locations. You understand? So we are going to do that now. So what we'll do first of all, we go to our project here and click on project property. Then you can enable on the fly projections and then click mina, right? Make sure I click you tell me mina 32. Okay, so you see it now. So now we will now load our uh, point, right? Okay, so we'll go to CSV and then we browse to the point. So I think I have one particular point on my desktop, right? So I'll just pick this here. Okay, I'll just pick this CSV, possibly this master CSV, right? And then click on open. Okay, then here I'll use X is already X, Y is already Y. You understand? So make sure you put that into consideration. Then I'll click OK. Then select your mina and then click OK. Okay, so now you see we are having this point here. Now, if you go straight to digitizing here, it's supposed to work. You understand? That is actually the approach. But based on the fact that people are having that general problem, maybe it's because of your setting or the time that you are loading this point, it will not actually select Mina, right? So it might be the problem. But to avoid those problems, what we are going to do is to reproject this layer. We are going to reproject. Projection means we are kind of projecting it from one project coordinate system to another coordinate system, right? So what we are going to do now is we do not care which coordinate system we are now here. You understand? You don't care about that, right? That is your layer is. You don't care about it. But what we are going to do is that we are projecting it to Mina. Even though it's in Mina, it's still project it to Mina. Even if it's WGS, we project it to Mina, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll come here and then I'll write to project, right? That is under your project, right? Under your process, under your processing, you click on tools bar. That is if this thing is not shown here. But if it is showing, the processing toolbox is showing, you can just search your project in there. But if it's not showing, come here and click on your tools bar, right? So that it will come back, right? Like this. Okay. So here now you now write reproject. Okay, so you see reproject layer bar. So you see reproject layer. So I'll click on it. So now you see that it automatically pick Musa because that is the only layer we have here, right? Input layer, right? So now what we'll do now is your target CRS. Okay, so I'll click on my target CRS and pick Mina, returning Mina. That is our target CRS now. 32, then I'll click OK. So you see, then under the projected, that is where you are saving the projected file. You click here and then save to file. So I'll put it into this desktop training. This is the folder where I'm keeping it. So I'll just save it. So remember where you are saving your own. Then let's say I'll put it at repro, right? I'll just say repro, right? Okay, because I'm having one layer here called reproject already. So you can just say, right? Then I'll click save. Okay. So if I click save, now you see open output after running the algorithm. Just uncheck it so that you will not load it. It will not load your projected file back to this particular place again. If not, there will be to result to a certain error again. So you just leave it, just uncheck it so that it will not load it back. So I'll just click on run, right? So it has successfully reproject to another CRS, right? So what we're going to do now is to click on new, discard this one so that I have a new page, a new Qgis. Then you go to your add layer, right? This one now you are now using, because your project is nice, so it's a shapefile already. So you can use your add vector layer, you browse, and then you go to, okay, this is a desktop training, and pro here, right? So you pick the one with .shp, right? And then you click open, and then you open here. So you see we have it here. So what? So if you see that this will upload your project. If you check the project now, so your project is know that is in Mina, right? Okay. So it's already in Mina here. So you can just click OK. Then you go to your, you create a new layer now, your polygon, which is the complaint that you people have that is not showing. So I'll click on new shapefile, okay, and then polygon, the coordinate reference system now. I'll now select Mina, right? You select Mina and then click OK. Then you don't need to, I don't need to add any attribute information. You can do that, okay, and then I click OK, and then I'll save it as polygon. Okay, you can use any name you want to use, right? Polygon, I'll save it as polygon. Okay, let me say poly G1 so that I will not confuse. Maybe you have a polygon in your layer already. Okay, so I'll just click save. So you have this poly G1 and then start edit, add this, and then you start digitizing. Then I digitize and I click OK. So you see that it's there. You understand? So your polygon, your point, all of them is there. No any of them that disappeared. Do you understand? So when you load your coordinate, before you start anything, just do that reproject. When you reproject it and load your reprojected point now to this particular place now, a new QGIS file, a new QGIS environment, it will not let me give. I hope this solved your problem. And if there's any questions, you can comment on the sections, right? Okay. Thank you very much.